You may hearing my background noise right now. In this video I will show you how you can remove or avoid background noise while recording through OBS. To do that, first of all go to this setting section of your microphone. You should choose your microphone first, then go to setting and you may see their filter here. Click on the filter and you will see this, and go to plus bottom here and click to noise suppression and click on OK. After that you may not hearing my background noise right now. If I click on this I button, it will off the noise suppression and you may hear my background noise. If I click on these, it will avoid the background noise. In this way you can easily avoid the background noise while recording through OBS Studio. Thanks for watching till now.